I'm standing in amongst a clump of what is probably the most popular of the very early flowering rhododendrons in our Burncoose nursery's catalogue. This is Rhododendron cilpinense, which is actually not a species, although its name sounds as though it should be. It's actually a hybrid between Rhododendron ciliatum and Rhododendron mupinense. So it's a one-generation hybrid which was actually bred at Bodnant in the late 1920s, and this has won every sort of RHS award over the years as being a popular plant which we can all grow even in small gardens. Don't be put off by the fact that this huge clump, which is several plants, is now about 5 or 6 foot tall. They're coming towards the end of their lives, and they've been very much more dwarf than this for many, many years. Up in Cheshire, in a garden I know well, outside the front door, the harbinger of spring is Rhododendron cilpinense coming out in a rockery. And there, where it's colder and there's much less rainfall, it grows only to about half this size in maturity and genuinely is a small rockery plant. And the thing which really makes this cilpinense stand out is the beautiful contrast between the pink frill at the top of the flower and the pink buds, and the flower opening out white, and the pink gradually fades from the flower. Very easy to grow as rhododendrons go, no pruning, no particular care, but what a sensational start to early March if you've got this in your garden.